to take you up the driveway of the Pry House, but
I insist that we include the main street in the video.
This is Jackie's channel, so she wanted to get Main Street for you, which Sharpsburg Main Street is a beautiful, beautiful small town Main Street.
Turn right onto East Main Street.
And you can stop here and get ice cream.
Seems like all the locals do too.
Oh, there's a little memorial.
Like I said, Sharpsburg is a great, great little town. Look at that. There's old Dixie. Patriotic. They got American flags down the down Main Street. Very patriotic little small town USA. Very historic.
The inn at Antietam.
This is the Antietam National Cemetery.
Yep.
Soldiers are buried there. They had a thing there today, it looks like. Memorial Day weekend, and we do thank all of our soldiers, the ones that have fallen, the ones that haven't, the ones that came back. We thank them all for their service. We couldn't do the things that we're doing now if it wasn't for you. People were side of the road.
What was that over there again?
That was the Newcomer House.
It was a field hospital as well, I believe.
Field hospital as well. I mean, the battle has been, it reached all the way. I mean, everywhere we're driving today is where the Battle of Antietam happened. I mean, this was a huge battle. There was a lot of men congregated in one area. That we're going to now, the Pry House, is General McCullum's headquarters and a field hospital. And again, we've done sessions here and have gotten very interesting results. The folks that are still there know that it was Mr. General McCullum's place, his headquarters. They know who he is. Sorry folks, trying to find us. The driveway's hidden. Here we go, going down to General McClellan's headquarters. So, while the fighting was happening, this is where he was stationed.
Looks like they're sprucing the place up a little bit.
Very cool little place.
I wouldn't say little.
Again, I would love Hey, they're in there. Go get them. Go get them. Now we're gonna park. We're gonna walk around a little bit for you, and then we'll bid you adieu.
Alright everyone, so we are at the Pry House and Field Hospital. Here's a little placards that are out front. Here is a photo of the Pry farm at time of battle. And here it is today.
Pry had his property confiscated from him. It was literally taken from
Taken.
him by the union, and they took over and made it their headquarters and did damages.
So if anyone wants to come here, it's $5 suggested.
They
But-
did damages to his crops, his animals, his house, and they never repaid the debt.
I would go down there with the, what is that, like a cellar type thing?
Yeah, it's a cellar, but
Too many ticks. I don't even know if we're going to be able to walk up here.
a lot of tick action out here.
It looks like it's, okay, it might be alright. Grass isn't too tall.
Look at that turkey.
Where do you see a turkey?
Look at him, see
Oh
him?
my goodness, yeah, I
That
see
is
him.
a big turkey. Oh, man.
Alright, we're not here looking at turkeys. Keep walking.
Oh,
Jared.
oh. I want to chase after him.
I thought it was going to be something like exciting.
I want to fight that turkey. I want to fight this turkey to the death.
Do you hear the turkeys? Have a garden planted here. See if I can see in the windows. Oh man, this grass is tall. We want to thank everyone for coming along with us today. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Jared is somewhere behind me. You enjoyed what you saw?